Welcome back to Mechanical Mindset. So in today's video, we will be exploring the different types of HVAC systems and how they work to provide a comfort and efficiency in various applications. So let's dive in. These are the main types of HVAC systems. Split air system, which is divided into two types, that is ducted split air system and ductless split air system. Packaged systems, centralized and decentralized system, and variable refrigerant flow systems. Each HVAC system serves a specific purpose, and understanding them helps in selecting the right one for your needs. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which system works best for different scenarios. Let's break them down step by step. A split air system is a type of air conditioning system that consists of two main components, that is indoor unit and outdoor unit. Indoor unit is installed inside the building and contains the evaporator coil, air filter and blower. Indoor unit is responsible for absorbing heat from the indoor space. Outdoor unit is installed outside the building and contains compressor, condenser coil and a fan. The outdoor unit is responsible for releasing the heat absorbed in the indoor space into the outside environment. Let's see the working principle of it. A split air system consists of two units, that is indoor unit and outdoor unit. Both the units are connected by copper coils. Inside the copper coils, the refrigerant will be flowing. When cooling is required, the compressor runs. The low temperature and low pressure liquid enters to the evaporator coil. As it flows through the coils, the refrigerant absorbs the heat from the indoor space and turn it into low pressure vapor. And then the low pressure vapor flows to the compressor. In compressor, the vapor refrigerant is compressed and refrigerant is converted into high pressure vapor. The high pressure vapor refrigerant enters into the condenser coils. As it flows through the condenser coil, the refrigerant rejects the heat to the outside environment and turn it into high pressure liquid. And the high pressure refrigerant enters into a thermal expansion valve and converted into low pressure liquid. And finally it will flows to the evaporator coil. And again the cycle starts. So this is how the split air system works and produces cooling effect. Package system. A packaged system integrates all components of an HVAC system, that is compressor, condenser, evaporator and air handler into a single enclosure. In a split air system, we have two units, that is indoor and outdoor unit. But here both the units are placed inside the single rack. Then the air will be distributed through the ducts. So that's why the system is called a packaged system. Let's see the working principle of a packaged system by taking an example of RTU. So RTU stands for rooftop units. So it is generally placed on the roof. A warm air from the indoor environment is drawn into the packaged system via return air ducts. The air passes through a filter which cleans the air of dirt, dust and other particles before it enters into the system. Then a filtered warm air mixed with the proportional amount of outside air and enters to the evaporator coil. Inside the system, the refrigeration cycle runs. When the warm air passes the evaporator, the refrigerant inside the coil absorbs the heat and converted into cooled air. Then the cooled air is supplied through the supply duct through the indoor environment. Then the process will be repeated. This is how the packaged system works. Centralized and decentralized system. AHUs, that is air handling unit, are typically the part of centralized HVAC system. So it is a component that circulates and conditions air within the HVAC system. The equipment consists of blower, filter, and heating or cooling coils. The fan coil units are typically the part of decentralized HVAC system, although they can also use it in centralized system in specific scenarios. AHUs handle large volume of air while FCUs provide individual zone control. So that's why AHUs are called centralized HVAC system and fan coils are called decentralized HVAC system. So let's see the working principle of it. The working principle of air handling unit is similar to the packaged system, but the key differences are in packaged system, the refrigeration components are integrated within the unit to provide both heating and cooling. But in AHU, it does not contain a refrigeration component. Instead, it relies on external source such as central chiller plant for cooling and heating. The AHU role is to condition the air by filtering, heating or cooling and then distributed through the ductworks. Variable refrigerant flow systems. So this system is an advanced HVAC technology designed for precise temperature control and energy efficiency. These systems are particularly suitable for applications that requires individual zone control, such as offices, hotels, and mixed-use buildings. The VRF systems use a variable speed compressor to control the flow of refrigerant to multiple indoor units. The refrigerant flow is adjusted based on the heating or cooling demand of each zone, making it highly energy efficient. And the VRF systems allows the simultaneous heating and cooling in different zones using heat recovery features. So let's see the working principle of VRF systems. VRF systems consists of one outdoor unit connected to multiple indoor units. The system can control the amount of energy sent to each indoor unit, allowing different zones to have their own temperature settings. This makes it highly flexible as you can cool one room while heating another. This system uses an advanced control to deliver only the required energy, reducing waste and saving energy, making them ideal for offices, apartments and large buildings. With this, we have explored all the major types of HVAC systems, helping you gain a clear understanding of their principles and applications. Stay tuned for more insightful content on HVAC and mechanical systems. Thank you for watching.